Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm about to show you how to get your Jordan 7s. These are OG 7s, the blue and baby blue, and the Olympic 7s. I'm about to show you how to get the toe box back white. It's real simple. I know you've probably seen some other tutorials on how to do it, but you probably never seen one like this. I'm about to show you faggots how to get this shit done right. Alright, so what I got here, as you can see, the toes on these joints, the yellow's real yellow. Who want to wear these right here? Nobody want to wear these. First off, start off gently. Sanding it. Now you can use a sander, a hand sander. But who want to get their arm all weak and shit? Real simple. Just sand the toe box. Now you gotta have a steady hand when you're doing this. For all y'all who got them jack off hands, probably be pretty good at this. You know what I'm saying? Check me out. Just make sure you don't go too far. When you go into the other side of the shoe and mess something up. All you gotta do is sand it. Now you have a fresh, nice white toe box. Real simple, real easy. Check me out. The one side white, the other side cream, yellow. Probably look like some of y'all teeth. It's finished product right here. Show you how to make some money on these joints. Alright, leave your comments, or you can hit me up at El Presidente on Twitter. That's at ELPRESID, the number 3 NTE. Thank you for watching. Tune in to my next tutorial.